Hello guys, welcome you back to my channel that is none other than Study Matters, and here I'm back with a new video that is DIY study planner. Specifically we are going to prepare a DIY weekly study planner. So now without wasting any of our time, let's get quickly started with our video. Guys, if you are new to my channel or haven't watched my first ever YouTube video that was about DIY study planner, then no worries at all. I have already linked that video in the description box below, so do check it out. Now the reason why I am saying this is just that video was about monthly study planner in which I had completed my whole of the syllabus in just 1.5 months or so. But that requires too much of patience, dedication and 10 to 12 hours of studies, which possibly I can do that, but my brother cannot handle that much of stress. So I just thought to prepare a short-term goal for him, and this is that weekly study planner. So I just think that this will be benefitable for those students who can maximum study for 2 to 3 hours a day. So do watch this video till the end, and don't ever forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel that is Study Matters. So let's begin with the things required. So first thing required over here is an old calendar which has this sort of spiral binding to it. The second thing required is cello tapes. These are totally optional. If you want to decorate your study planner more, then you can use this. Then any rough notebook in which you are going to prepare a rough image of a study planner, a pen, pencil, eraser, few colorful sticky notes, sketch pens, highlighters, glue, stick, pair of scissors, few more sketch pens and color pens, and a blank white sheet. Now let's start drawing or sketching a rough image of our study planner. I do have a habit of making a rough image before really trying it out on original paper, so as to reduce any of our mistakes. So as you can see, we have to prepare 3 main columns or boxes. First will be for monthly calendar, second will be for important dates, and third for to-do list. Now as you know that we are preparing a weekly planner, so we have to draw 7 boxes for each day and for each date. So do as shown in video. So guys, one more thing is that make sure that your boxes which you have drawn are quite big enough to fit in all the content which you want to fit in it. So here we are done with sketching out our rough image for our weekly planner. Now what we are going to do is just cut out these sticky notes and gonna paste it on our calendar. So if you don't have such kind of calendar, then no worry, you can also make it in your notebook or on a blank white sheet, no problem at all. Now as you can see, my old calendar is already white in color, so no need to stick any kind of white paper on it for base. Now here I have started drawing out this little boxes on it. So I decided to make it of size 3.5 by 3.5 centimeter each. So the main 3 boxes are of 3.5 by 3.5 centimeter measure, and below boxes are of 3 by 3 centimeter each. Now we need to just measure the same measurement on our sticky note and start cutting it and start pasting it. Now as you know, sticky notes are sticky at one end, so no need to apply glue on it. So now let's do the same cutting and pasting work for all the rest boxes. Now our cut paste work has been done, and now we are actually going to start writing out what we had planned before. So now here I'm using a pencil, so if any mistake we can quickly erase it out. So you know that our first box is of calendar, monthly calendar. This is really must in a weekly planner, so you can check out the dates and plan according to it. Our second box is of important dates, so you can write down the important dates like when you have to submit few things, when are your exams starting. Now third box is of to-do list, like every day this is going to be changed. So you may write this box with pencil or you may write this with any color pens. Now once we have done with the writing part with a pencil and not created any of mistake, let's start writing it with color pens or sketch pens, whichever you prefer. Also make sure that your calendar has perfect dates and days. For it, at least refer once an original calendar. Now you can see that in columns below or the boxes below I have mentioned revision. It is just because that the upcoming week will be an examination week, so according to it I have planned each day for him. Now over here you have to mention your own subjects, chapter numbers, chapter names and all that which is related to you and plan according to it and also study according to it. Now once your work is done, erase out all the lines which we had drawn with pencil earlier. So as you can see, these sticky notes are not pasted from one side. So if you want to secure it more, you can paste it with a glue stick or just leave it out. And whenever you want to prepare for next week the same study planner, then you can just pull out those sticky notes which are used before and prepare a new bunch of sticky notes and stick on the calendar. Now I am making a border over here with a dark sketch pen or marker. So using a dark shade on outer border always ensures to pull up your concentration towards the center matter. And here is a planner ready to use. Now guys, if you don't want to be so creative and put in your efforts in, then you can always make such kind of simple, colorful, different shapes drawn on a simple paper and stick it on the calendar with help of a glue, and it also looks quite adorable. So no matter, you can prepare both of them. So this I prepared a weekly planner. With the same layout, you can also prepare a monthly planner. So guys, if you have liked this video, then don't ever forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new videos related to study. Till then, you can check out these video, link is already given in the description box below. So guys, see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with Study Matters. Bye bye.